In this video, I will demonstrate how to edit the Contact Us link on the order confirmation page in Shopify. As in my case, whenever customers click on the Contact Us link, they usually get redirected to a mailing app of some sort. As in my case, it's Gmail. But I want this link to be redirected to the Contact Us page on the site. So for that, log into Shopify admin account and then click on the online store. Then look for your current theme and then select three dots and then press Edit Default Theme Content. Now in the Filter Items section, type the following: Need help. And you should look for this field. Now we're going to simply add our link to it. So let's keep the general structure the same. So let's type need help, question mark, space, and then let's add the anchor tag. Type less than sign a space href equals to double quotation marks, and then add the greater than symbol. Now let me go to my site and get the link for the Contact Us page and paste it right in between the quotation marks, just like this. Then at the end, let's add the link text such as Contact Us. And now let's close the A tag. So for that, once again, press the less than symbol, / A, and greater than symbol. Now press save. So let me go back to my site and then open one of the orders. Then click More Actions, View Order Status Page. So let me scroll a bit down, and then here's the link, Contact Us. In fact, once I hover on it, you can see at the bottom left corner it says www.ecommercetv.ca/pages/contact us. In fact, once I click on it, it will automatically redirect to the Contact Us page on the Shopify site. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tip useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.